How does what you eat impact your mood, cognitive function, and overall mental well being? If you want to know, then stick around to find out. Hello everyone, welcome back to your very own channel Wellness Wonders. In this video, we are going to discuss a fascinating topic that affects us all, the connection between mental health and nutrition. So, without wasting any further time, let's explore the powerful link between what we eat and how we feel. First, let's talk about the basics. Our brain is an incredibly complex organ that requires a variety of nutrients to function optimally. Just like the rest of your body, your brain needs fuel, and that fuel comes from the food you eat. The quality of that fuel can make a big difference in your mental health. Foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants nourish the brain and protect it from oxidative stress. Now, what is oxidative stress? Oxidative stress is basically the waste produced when the body uses oxygen, which can damage cells. One key group of nutrients that play a crucial role in mental health are omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as in flax seeds and walnuts. These omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain function and have been shown to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Moreover, studies suggest that people who consume diets high in omega-3 fatty acids are less likely to experience mood disorders. So, incorporating these foods into your daily diet can have a positive impact on your mental well being. Next, let's talk about antioxidants. These powerful compounds found in fruits and vegetables like berries, oranges, spinach, and bell peppers helps to combat inflammation and oxidative stress, which are linked to mental health issues. Eating a diet rich in antioxidants can help protect your brain cells from damage and promote better mental health. Aim to eat the rainbow by including a variety of colorful fruits and veggies into your daily meals. Another important factor is gut health. There's a growing body of research showing the strong connection between the gut and the brain, often referred to as the gut-brain axis. Probiotics found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which in turn supports mental health. Including probiotic-rich foods into your diet can improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and even alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. Next is complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are another key player in maintaining mental health. Foods like whole grains, legumes, and vegetables provide a steady source of energy and help keep blood sugar levels stable, which is crucial for mood stability. Unlike simple carbs, which can cause spikes and crashes in blood sugar, complex carbs are digested more slowly, providing a more sustained release of energy. This can help you avoid the mood swings associated with blood sugar fluctuations. Hydration also plays a significant role in mental health. Dehydration can lead to cognitive impairment and mood disturbance. So make sure to drink enough water throughout the day to keep your brain functioning at its best. Always carry a reusable water bottle with you and aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Staying hydrated is one of the simplest ways to support your mental health. Magnesium is another nutrient that's crucial for mental health. It's involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including those that regulate mood. Nuts, seeds, leafy green vegetables, and whole grains are all great sources of magnesium. Moreover, low levels of magnesium have been linked to increased risk of depression and anxiety, so be sure to include magnesium-rich foods into your diet. Let's not forget about herbs and spices. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties that can boost brain function and reduce symptoms of depression. Adding a little turmeric to your meals or enjoying a turmeric latte can be a great way to support your mental health. Moreover, other herbs like rosemary, sage, and peppermint can also have mood-boosting benefits. Experiment with different herbs and spices to find what works best for you. Remember, it's not just about individual nutrients, as the overall pattern of your diet matters. The Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, fish, and healthy fats like olive oil, has been associated with better mental health outcomes. This diet emphasizes whole, minimally processed foods that provide a wide range of nutrients. Adopting a Mediterranean-style diet can help reduce the risk of depression and anxiety and promote overall brain health. And there you have it, the powerful connection between mental health and nutrition. By making mindful choices about what you eat, you can support your brain, improve your mood, and enhance your overall mental well being. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. Until next time, eat well, be well. Tada!